A quiet day today, Friday. Working. Kids are over here quietly listening to some music. And being cute.
Let's follow the clues.
What are you saying?
Huh!
It looks like I'm the only one eating popcorn, but I'm not.
They are? No, it's done. But we can call it done.
Baby's feeling a little bit not as good again. Over here we have some copying going on. It's Friday, and so we're going out for a little bit on an errand, essentially. I don't think the store's open, but we're gonna see. The store was closed. We debated over tacos, sort of. I mean, I'd like to eat them if they're free. But don't really want to spend money on them right now. I don't want to get in the habit of just spending money on stuff. Just because it's Mexico or whatever, I don't know. Mom's making more of these, so that means these two little fatties are eating them. I'm gonna have some beans. And probably some broccoli. There's broccoli in there with ranch. What? That would be your favorite nighttime snack?
Beans and broccoli. Fireworks in the tummy.
Ew. And we're gonna use our makeshift futon, I guess. Although I bet it's not gonna be very comfortable. That Coke in Mexico is mucho más better than in the States, apparently. I mean...
Hi.
We're not gonna watch ourselves watch a movie. So funny.
I'm gonna watch me burn my mouth off with this.
I don't
Okay,
wanna
try
edit
something.
all this video. So my parents are having their soul group over for supper tonight, and I'm gonna help them get ready for that a little bit. Over here to try to find some sort of little cups for like the little favor thingies. Where are they? Oh, I guess these. We're gonna stick some M&Ms and peanuts in here. Now I'm just doing a little Saturday cleaning, which I used to hate when I was a kid. But it's not really that big of a deal anymore, I don't know. It doesn't take much brain power, that's for sure. I don't know about you, but when the toilet bowl brush doesn't even really fit down in the hole that well, it feels like maybe there's gonna be an issue with flushing. Like, I'm really pushing to get it in here. Everyone wave at Grandpa!
Bye, Grandpa!
See you later!
Grandpa!
Going to the beach.
Speaking of Dalmatians.
Have it 11.
So I left one of my camps up there.
He's just back there because he wants to be. Oh, start. Oh, look at these two pieces of gum my brother saved.
Uncle Nathaniel special that the kids are gonna get because they were very patient and they waited a whole week for them.
Thank you.
Of course, I don't know how many times you asked them for it, but
I didn't even ask. I just asked.
I just asked.
What are you making?
A castle.
Haha.
What the? Me espero. Quiéreme, porque ya creo merecerte, porque ya logré ponerte en mi alma tu más grande altar.
process. Do you know what you have here?
Nope.
Fish and shrimp. Hey, what's going on, guys?
Put the sand back down. Sand coming over here.
Too much sand. They stripped off the clothes out here, ran in a towel so that the sand would not get in the house, huh?
Can you fit 2 drumsticks behind your ears?
The founding of the United Ranger Corps 1,000 years ago was a global military effort, an evacuation of Earth.
Hurry up.
I'm watching myself. I'm actually starting to watch it again, so I'm sorry.
We're missing a movie. Dork.